Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Albani bin Makzuki and my number card matrix 04DEP24F1077. Today, we will explain how to calibrate the analog multimeter to calculate the resistance. Okay, let's go. Okay, the equipment we need to have is one resistor and multimeter. Now, we will measure the resistor using an analog multimeter. Okay, we need to adjust the needle to 0 before calculate the value of resistor. We need to do this for make sure the needle multimeter is at needle 0. Okay. Now we will measure the resistor using an analog multimeter. Okay. We need to adjust the needle to 0 before calculate the value of resistor. Okay, if the needle doesn't reach MTV we want, adjust it using ohm adjust. Make sure the needle multimeter is at needle 0. Okay, done. So, we will measure the value of this resistor using analog multimeter. Make sure the multiplier at the 1K. Then, take the positive probe and negative probe and then connect to resistor. After that, we will get the value of this resistor to 2K ohm.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Irfan. My metric card is 04DET24F101021. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to calculate the value of the resistor according the color band on this resistor. Okay, if you see here, we will find the color on this resistor are orange, red and gold. So, we will calculate the resistor by referring to the table that has been given. This one. If you see here, the first color is orange. So, we will get the first band is 3. Okay, we take it 3. Then the second band is orange. So, we give it 3. The third band is red. So, here we see the third band is red, and then take this one. So we will calculate this one. Okay, we see here it is 3,300 ohm. So the 4 band is gold. So we need to search for gold. This is gold. Then take it here. This is the value for this resistance.
Second one measuring resistance with multimeter. Connect the multimeter in series with the circuit for current measurement. Then in parallel, for voltage measurement, be certain the multimeter is switched to AC before attempting DC circuit. Number 4. Observe the proper DC polarity when measuring DC value. Number 5. When finished with the multimeter use, switch it to off position if available. If there is no off position, switch the multimeter to the highest voltage position. Number 6. Always start with the highest voltage current range. Number 7. Adjust to 0 ohm reading after checking resistance range and before making a resistance measurement. Lastly, be certain to make AC measurement on the AC scale of a multimeter.